Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily add audio player for your HTML website. So let's start. First, what you want to do is scroll down to the description and click on the link. When you will have it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is audio player. So let's click sign up for free. And when you have it, you want to sign with Google or Facebook or normal mail, and then just click login. So when you're here in a search, you want to write one thing, and that's audio. And you're gonna see here audio player. You got also podcast and radio if you like, and background music. So let's audio player. Now you can go like music playlist, meditation would be nature sounds, whatever you want really. I'll just click it here and edit. So like there are two ways how you can do it, and I will show both of them, okay? So the first one is, let's say that I'm going to add it to like here, new album, and then we will make floating, and we will like also like embed to our page. So this is, and you can just easily add tracks here, upload the files if you want, layout, okay, style, okay, custom, whatever. You can edit everything. Now when you have it, you need to choose a plan between light, basic, pro, or enterprise. If you're starting out with your site, go with the light version. But if you want to, if you're gonna have like 5,000 or 50,000 views, go with the basic or pro version. That's just my recommendation. Let's take the code here and let's just add it to our HTML. Let's click save, preview. And now, as you can see, let's see, we got perfect audio player for our website, for HTML website. But let's see also this. So let's say I will remove this widget, I will create a new one. Let's say I go to theme, I go to edit HTML, and I will create a floating one. So again, you can just edit everything in this audio player, that if you like to have it floating on your page. Again, you can change the layout, the player, the style, and everything. Let's click save here. And let's copy the code. And right now I will go right here and I will edit. Nice. Let's click save and preview theme. And as you can see, we got it floating. If I would scroll down, it will be floating still on the left down corner. And this is how you do it. And this is how you can add audio for your HTML website. Thank you very much everybody for watching. I hope you are going to have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.